Hey, what's up guys? Have you seen these 3D caricatures nowadays on your social, on Twitter, on X? If not, then I guess you're not following the current trend. We had started this year with a lot of different trends: Ghibli trend, Nano Banana trend, 3D toy frame or 3D toy, then wedding invitation card trend. So after all these viral trends, now this 3D caricature is latest viral trend from yesterday itself. So without any further ado, let's create this cool 3D caricature of yourself. So let's head towards any of your browser. I'm here in Chrome. I have opened Gemini in the Chrome. Okay, and I'll just simply give this prompt here. If you want this prompt and variation of these prompts, I'll put link of the Telegram channel in the video below. So just comment prompt and you will get the link of Telegram official channel where you can get all these prompts. Also, you can get all these prompts on our website as well. I'll put that link in the description below. And now we just have to upload an image which we want to convert as a 3D caricature. So I'll simply select one of my image here. I have uploaded my close-up selfie image and I have given this prompt, and make sure you're selecting the thinking model because this is what creating the cool caricatures, the pro model, not the fast one. So it is free, so with some limits you can create it using this thinking model for free of cost. So just click submit and let it create the image for us. While it is creating image, make sure you already subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well. For this video we have like count target to 500, so make sure we hit that count and just like the video so that we get 500 like counts. Okay, now you can see this has created this cool caricature of mine, and so you can also create your own 3D caricatures and tag us on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle in the description below, so you can tag us and we will add them to our story.